Hello, Mr. Pitt. I got your Mummy interactive game working, and so I'm going to show you how to do it. It's quite simple, really. We just have to stop Flash from being blocked on Chrome, and this is so if we open Chrome and I Google Mummy interactive game, and I'll add their BBC because it was on the BBC site. Alright, so if we go to the Mummy Maker and launch the game, it says the content requires Flash installed, no Flash installed. See up here, it says not secure. If you click that and it says Flash is blocked by default, if you choose allow and then go back, it then says to apply your updated, reload this page. If you hit reload, your Mummy game starts and then you press enter like that. So you can get the kids to do your little Mummy Maker program. Enjoy.